beautifully seasoned, tender, pan-fried salmon nestled in a bed of creamy orzo with lemon and parmesan. This feels like a really special dinner, yet it's cooked in extra quick time and all made in one pan, with no need to pre-cook the orzo. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I do try to get fish into the family at least once a week, and salmon tends to be my go-to because everyone loves it. I'm also using orzo in this dish as an alternative to risotto because it cooks in extra quick time. So let's get cooking. I've got 4 lovely salmon fillets here for my family of 4, but you can scale this recipe up or down depending on how many you're cooking for. So we're going to start by seasoning that salmon. In a small bowl, mix together a pinch each of salt and garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley. We're going to sprinkle that mixture on top of the salmon and pat it down so it sticks. Now heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a frying pan over a medium to high heat. Now add the salmon to the pan skin side up so the seasoning is hitting the oil. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the salmon is golden brown. Then remove the salmon from the pan and place on a plate skin side down. It doesn't matter that the salmon isn't fully cooked through at this point because we're going to continue cooking the salmon in the orzo shortly. Turn the heat down to medium and add 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pan. Cook for 30 seconds, stirring constantly so the garlic doesn't burn. Now add 230 grams, which is about a cup plus 2 tablespoons, of dried orzo to the pan and stir it together with the garlic. Then add in 480 ml, which is about 2 cups of chicken stock, and stir again. Now we're going to nestle the salmon fillets into the orzo skin side down so they can continue cooking with the orzo. So we're going to let that simmer now for about 8 to 9 minutes, stirring occasionally until the orzo is al dente and the salmon is cooked through. You'll need to move the salmon with a set of tongs so you can stir the orzo underneath so it doesn't stick to the pan. After about 8 minutes, add in 60 ml, which is 1/4 cup of double or heavy cream, plus 75 grams, which is 3/4 cup of grated parmesan, and the zest and juice of 1/2 lemon. We're also going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper to the orzo and stir it all together. Then turn the heat off and you're ready to serve. Sprinkle on chopped parsley and a little black pepper, and then arrange some lemon wedges in the pan and serve. I love to place this down on the table just the way it is and let everyone grab a plate, gather round and dig in. If you like this recipe, you're going to love my 15-minute honey garlic butter baked salmon. See you over there.